Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to be feeding my garlic. The last time I was here was about 5 months ago and I was doing the mulch over them. Now we've only got, say, like a couple more months to go before they'll be ready for harvesting, and we're just going to give them a fertilizer. I'm going to be giving them a nitrogen fertilizer to help with the rust. Right now, normally when you see the rust on your plant, as you can see, the rust would be these little gold looking, orange looking stuff on your leaves. Normally that's the beginning of the end of your harvest, guys. Yeah, because once these guys take over, they don't, like, I don't know if anything can get them to go away, right? So what I'm going to try to do basically is give my garlic plants a boost of nitrogen, just to help them get a little bit more greener, give them a little bit of strength, so maybe they can just slow down the rust a bit. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, guys. And also, as I'm doing that, I'm just going to be going around weeding, taking out any weeds that I see. You know, as you can see, there's not a lot of weeds at the moment, and that's the beauty of the no dig, guys, or no till. So I'm just going to be going down, inspecting them, and anywhere that I see weeds, I'm going to be pulling them out. So the good thing about growing garlic, guys, is like they don't take a lot of maintenance, basically. You know, once you've put your garlic down, you've made sure that the bed is well, you know, fertilized, you know, then you're good to go. You just leave them, come every so often, go over them, make sure that everything is well with them. And I'm telling you, they're very, very low maintenance, you know. So it's a very good crop to grow. I would even say for beginners, you know, it's a very good crop to grow. The only thing about them is they take a long time to be readied. They can take up to between 8 to 9 months before they're ready, you know.
Lost in a world of uncertainty, tell me how to find my clarity. In the depths of doubt, I search for a sign. Tell me how to trust.
So once I've finished weeding the bed, guys, so the next step I'm going to be doing now is give them a nitrogen fertilizer, a liquid one at that. So I believe it's fish fertilizer, fish emulsion, and I'm just going to see how, you know, they react to it, and see if it kind of greens up the leaf a little bit more for me. And yeah, basically just slows the rust down. That's what I'm trying to do, give the garlic some strength, some resistance, I suppose that you could say, so that it could fight the rust and it could keep growing for me until May. Right, so the next step I'll be doing is that, guys. Right, guys, so I'm going to be using some rainwater for this. We got the fish emulsion. It's called fish mix, right? Not really measuring it, guys. I'm just gonna eye it out. It's gonna be about right for the 10 liters. Give it a little. I'm gonna agitate it a bit, guys. Mix it up. Right. And I'm simply just give it down at the roots of it. I'm also gonna try to get some on the leaves. The idea is just to get the water down at the root system, guys. And I'm going to repeat the process. Alright guys, so now we're coming towards the ending. So like I was saying here, the whole idea is to give it a nitrogen boost, allow the leaves to green up a little bit more than they are, because to me it looks like it also needs, you know, a little bit of help on the nitrogen side. So giving it the fish emotion hopefully will give it that nitrogen boost it needs, the strength that it needs for it to carry on. And guys, give me some nice garlic in 2 months time, right? So that'll be in May. All right guys, so on that note I'm gonna say live well guys, and together we grow.